Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D stroke animation like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to mask and draw your mask. I'll draw something like this. Go to fill. If you see something like this, go to fill and choose none. Okay. And let me handle this. Something like this. Okay. Not bad. Okay. And let me name it mask. Now make sure that you are on space here. Then I'll go to ellipse tool and I'll draw ellipse tool and I'll draw a circle like this. Go to align to put this circle into the middle and go to fill and I'll choose radial gradient. Okay, and let me put this point here and another one into the other side like this, and go to a selection tool to choose your colors, and this is our colors. I'll choose this one. Yeah, something like this. Okay, very good. Now let me name it ball mask. Okay, now make sure that you are on the first frame. Go to mask here, open mask, go to path, open path, and Control C. Then go to ball mask, press P for position and Control V and Control V, and see this circle or this ball move on our mask like this. That's very good. Now I'll close mask and go to ball mask, go to effects and presets and type echo. Okay, drag and drop. Then I'll go to echo time. Let me go here and 0.0001, or I think just 20. Okay, 0.001. Okay, and also I'll go to number of echo, change it to 400 and set add to composite in front and see. Okay, let me change this one to 2. Okay, or 3 and see again. And this is our 3D stroke animation. Okay, let me go to first frame and press T for opacity and decrease opacity to 0. Then move just one frame and 100. Okay, let me change it to half here. Let's see. I think it's very weird and also good, not bad. So let me change this 4 to 5. Yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.